What if I told you law firms just like yours are adding consistently 30, 40, and even 50 new client leads every single month without chasing them? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it. Look, you went to law school, passed the bar, and built your expertise, not to become a marketing expert. Yet today, this is the reality we all face. Success depends on more than just strong legal skills and winning cases. Let me paint a picture for you that might sound painfully familiar. You rely heavily on word of mouth referrals and professional networks, which is great when they come, but that's unpredictable, right? You've tried running a few ads here and there, maybe boosted a Facebook post or two, but nothing really sticks. Then when it comes to your website, it looks fine, maybe even professional, but let's be honest, it's not generating new client intake consistently. And don't even get me started on reviews. They're inconsistent at best, and when you do get a negative review, you're really not sure of how to respond without starting an argument online. Meanwhile, you're billing more hours each year, putting in more time, but the growth, it just feels completely out of reach. Here's what I want you to understand. You're not alone. Most attorneys are brilliant legal minds, but few were ever taught of how to build and market their practice. Law school just didn't prepare you for the modern landscape of marketing. So we need a turning point. Now, imagine this for a moment. What would it look like if your practice had qualified clients inquiring daily, not just once in a while, but consistently every single day? This would lead to your caseload being full and predictable, so no more gaps and no more wondering if next quarter will be slow. Not only that, when you go check on your digital presence, you see that reviews are flooding in automatically. We're talking real, authentic 5-star reviews from satisfied clients. Plus, your website, it's beginning to rank higher and higher on Google, and your practice is actually showing up when people search. Plus, the users that land on your website are actually filling out your form. And maybe the hardest of all, your social media presence isn't just crickets, it's actually bringing in qualified leads. Now, that probably sounds like a lot and like a fantasy, but that's what happens when you stop guessing and you start using a proven all-in-one marketing platform built specifically for law firms. Now, let's talk about why most law firms fail. And it's not because attorneys don't care. I know you care deeply about growing your practice and helping people. The problem is you're being forced to juggle so many disconnected tools and vendors. Just think about it. You got one vendor for your website, you have another for Google Ads, maybe you have someone handling your social media, maybe there's someone who helps you with reputation, and maybe you have a software to help you with your emails. And here's the kicker, no one is tracking what is actually working or what your client acquisition cost really is. It is a fragmented approach and you are flying blind. What does it mean? It means this is killing your growth. It's draining your marketing budget and your billable time, plus it's leaving you with consistent energy drain. Why? Because you're always wondering, what am I even paying for and what is actually bringing clients in? Now, this unified system, what if it could track, measure, and improve in real time? This is exactly why we built Marketing 360. We bring every single piece of the marketing together in one single platform, and it's built exclusively for small businesses and law firms like yours. Think about it like this: one platform, one partner, one plan. That's it. Let me walk you through exactly what you get with Marketing 360 and why each piece matters for your practice. First up, let's start with search engine optimization and AI optimization. Here is the fact. More often than not, when someone needs legal representation, their search begins with Google or Bing or ChatGPT or Gemini. They type something like personal injury attorney near me or DUI lawyer or family law attorney or business attorney. And if your firm isn't ranking locally, you basically are invisible. So our SEO strategy ensures you appear right at the top when someone searches for an attorney in your practice areas, not being buried on page 3 or waiting for a client to do deep research to be able to find you. This means more high quality leads for your law firm who are actively searching for your specific services. Now, SEO takes time, but what about ads? They get you found in instantly. We're talking about targeted ad campaigns that actually drive phone calls and consultation requests for cases you want to take on. And the best part, we design, launch, and optimize everything for you while ensuring that it is compliant with attorney advertising rules. No more wasting money on ads that don't convert or bringing in unqualified leads. We consistently achieve a cost per lead lower than the industry average. Third, website design that actually converts. Your website should be your hardest working employee. It never takes a day off, never calls in sick, and it's working for you 24/7. And its main job is to bring you in new clients. We build mobile-friendly websites that are fast, secure, and compliant. And most importantly, they're built to convert visitors into client consultations. Fourth, reputation management. Your reputation online is one of your biggest marketing assets. Just think about it for a moment. What's the first thing you do before you hire a professional or you buy something online? You check the reviews. Your potential clients are doing the same thing. That's why having positive reviews come in on autopilot and being able to manage the negative ones is essential for your practice. Fifth, social media marketing. This isn't just about posting random legal tips or generic updates about changes in the law. It's about establishing thought leadership in your community. Our strategy is to position you as the go-to attorney in your practice area, while showcasing your expertise and your firm's value. And yes, law firms can have personality while maintaining professionalism. All of this helps build long-term trust before someone even needs legal representation. Six is email marketing automation. It's important for any business to stay top of mind with any of the clients that they've worked with in the past. With automated email campaigns, you can nurture past clients, send legal updates relevant to their situation. You can even share insights on new legislation and maintain those valuable relationships, all while doing that on autopilot. Seventh, you bring this all together with analytics and reporting. Real-time dashboards show you exactly where every lead is coming from, what your client acquisition cost is, what campaigns are working and what's not working, and where every marketing dollar is going. Stop the guessing and all the anxiety with that. No more thinking, I hope this is working. You'll know your ROI with data to prove it. Now, let me break down the real difference between the old way of doing things and the marketing 360 way. Well, the old way used to be marketing tools that are completely disconnected. And that means you and your team are managing dozens of apps, logins, and vendors with absolutely no clear ROI. With Marketing 360, everything is in one integrated dashboard, one login, one place to see your entire client pipeline. When it comes to the old way, you would hire marketing agencies that don't really understand law firms, and then they use the same generic tactics that they use for restaurants, and all you end up with is a bill and your money going to things that aren't gonna work for legal practices. With Marketing 360, you get specialists who focus specifically on law firm growth. And we've been doing attorney marketing for over 15 years. We know the industry, we understand the ethical advertising requirements, and we know your clients. We know what works. Plus, you get a dedicated team that runs your marketing for you. Real people who understand the legal industry and know what they're doing. Now, every successful law firm, and I mean every single one, follow this exact pattern. This is a proven formula, and Marketing 360 makes each step not just possible, but easy. Step one is attract. Use Google, SEO, ads, and social media to reach potential clients who are actively looking for legal representation in your practice area. Again, this is not just random people, but qualified prospects in your area who need legal services right now. Step two is engage. Before someone picks up the phone to call, they want to know who you are and whether you are the right attorney for their case. Whether it is content, your website, or social posts, establishing you as the thought leader builds trust and demonstrates your expertise increase, which makes people confident that reaching out to you will be the right decision. People don't look for the best option, they look for the safest option, and we want to make sure that you are both the best and the safest option for them. Step 3, convert. Getting website traffic is great, but traffic doesn't pay the bills. We turn those visitors into consultation requests, which turn into signed retainer agreements. Step 4 is delight. This is where you really get to shine. Deliver those excellent results that you're already providing, and those satisfied clients will naturally want to leave 5-star reviews. And we make it as easy as possible for them to do so. And everything is ethical and compliant. Step 5, nurture. A client relationship is worth way more than just one case. We use email and automations to stay top of mind and position you as the trusted legal advisor for them and all their friends and family. Since it costs 5 times more to acquire a new client, maintaining an existing relationship is worthwhile. So what kind of results are we talking about here? We have helped thousands of lawyers get more leads and win more clients over the past 15 years. Take Donahue Law Firm, for example. They came to us with a primary need of increasing their leads. Through our strategic approach, they've been able to significantly increase their qualified lead flow and grow their practice substantially. This has helped them grow their practice and service additional counties in their area. And law firms just like them using Marketing 360 are seeing more new client inquiries, not just here and there, but consistently month over month. And this is what makes Marketing 360 different than the competition. You don't just get access to the technology, you also get access to the talent. And you'll have peace of mind knowing that your marketing is actually working and compliant. So no more stress or guessing or wasting your marketing budget hoping something will work out. And this all leads to you having the time and mental energy to do your best work because you know that your marketing is running on autopilot in the background. Look, here's the truth. You don't have a marketing problem. You have a visibility problem. Right now, as we speak, there are people in your city searching for your services. They're on social platforms, they're on search engines, they're on Google, Facebook, or ChatGPT. The only question that matters is this: are they gonna find you or are they gonna find your competition? And with more and more law firms popping up in your area, you being ahead of this is so critical for the growth of your practice. So what are you waiting for? Because every day you wait, your competition is getting stronger. They're climbing higher in search rankings, collecting more reviews, building stronger online presence. But on the flip side, every day you take action, your future gets brighter. Every day you're actively marketing, you're building an asset that compounds over time. Stop waiting for growth to just happen and start building it intentionally. If you are ready to grow your law firm in 2026 and beyond, it's time to get started with Marketing 360. We work with law firms every single day and we've seen what works and what doesn't. Plus, our entire platform is built around helping practices just like yours succeed. Head to the first link down below in the description to get started today. You'll get a personalized plan and pricing based on your specific practice areas and goals. What are you waiting for? Your clients need you. They just need to find you first. Head to marketing360.com and let's grow your law firm together.